Good morning, everyone. Welcome back to today's news report, bringing you the latest information from around the world. I'm Martyn, and here's today's main story. UC San Diego continues to support students who contribute to the gaming and esports community through its esports scholarship. Here's the full report. For the past 4 years, UC San Diego has provided scholarships to students who contribute to gaming and esports on campus. This year, 7 students will receive a $1,500 scholarship, supported by alumni, donors, the chancellor, and corporate partner Turtle Beach. The recipients come from competitive and social gaming organizations. They are recognized not only for their gaming achievements, but also for their contributions to the university's gaming community. One recipient, Chris Cranes, said the scholarship has helped him continue his education and prepare for a future career in the gaming industry. He also found valuable support through the gaming community at UC San Diego. Another recipient, Justin Liu, contributed as a photographer and media enthusiast by documenting esports events and activities. His experience shows that creative skills can also play an important role in esports. Meanwhile, Aiden Everett said he was surprised and grateful to receive the scholarship. The financial support helped him with academic and housing expenses while preparing for life after graduation. The university emphasized that scholarships are about more than financial aid. They also recognize students' talent, leadership, and contributions to the gaming community. Through this program, UC San Diego hopes to show that gaming and esports can provide opportunities for education, career development, leadership, and community involvement. That was today's main story about UC San Diego's esports scholarship. The program shows that esports is not only about competition, but also about education, creativity, leadership, and future careers. That's all for today's news report. Stay informed, stay inspired. I'm Martyn, and thank you for watching.